Hey everyone, my name is Komal. Welcome to Rice PTE. If you're preparing for the PTE and aiming for a perfect score of 90 out of 90 in the right essay sections, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share my top 10 proven tips that will help you ace the essay section. But before that, quickly, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment and like the video if you find it useful. This is a great encouragement for me. Also, check out the video description for some great resources for your PTE preparation. Alright now, grab a pen and paper and let's dive right in. Let's look at the tip number 1. Understand the essay structure. Your essay should have a clear structure with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Let's break it down. We'll look at the introduction first. Provide some background information and state your thesis. That is, what is your stand on the essay topic? Are you against or in favor? Do you think something has more advantages or more disadvantages? Something like that. And then we'll look at body paragraphs. Each paragraph should focus on a single main idea supported by examples and explanations. Do not mix your ideas. And the last part is conclusion. Summarize the main points and restate the thesis in a new way. It is almost like repeating the introduction but in a different way. Let's look at the tip number 2, which is to use essay templates carefully. And it means templates can help you structure your essay efficiently, but use them carefully, otherwise you will end up making many grammatical or logical mistakes. Here is a simple example. The topic has been widely discussed. While some people believe that opposing view, I firmly believe that whatever will be your view, because reason 1 and reason 2. If the essay is on causes of pollution, then in place of topic, you will put in pollution. Opposing view can be increase in number of vehicles. That is, some people think pollution is due to increase in number of vehicles. Your view can be that pollution is not due to increase in vehicles. For that, your reason 1 can be polluting industries close to the cities. And reason 2 can be massive increase in population. So that is how you will use this part of the template. You have to be careful in putting in your topic, views, reasons, etc. Now we'll talk about tip number 3, which is to develop strong arguments. Your arguments need to be logical and well supported. This is what I meant by it. So support with examples. We'll look at the example. The importance of education in developing critical thinking skills cannot be overstated. So to support this, I will give an example like this. For instance, students who engage in critical thinking exercises perform better in problem-solving tasks. Let's look at the tip number 4. Use transition words and phrases. Transitions make your essay flow smoothly. You can use these transition words to link ideas. These words are like furthermore, in addition, however, on the other hand. So if one idea is pollution is increasing due to increase in number of vehicles, you can now link another idea such as rising in polluting industries by using in addition. In addition, pollution is increasing due to the rise in polluting industries. You can also use transition words to show relationships. An example of such words, consequently, as a result. Therefore, let me give you an example. So population has been increasing rapidly. Consequently, the property prices have doubled in the last decade. So there is a relationship, cause and effect between the two, and that is shown by the word consequently. Time management is key during the PT exam. You must simulate exam conditions while practicing. For example, always set a timer for 20 minutes and only then write an essay. Use some time to review and improve. You can leave a couple of minutes in the end for a review. You may find and correct mistakes in spellings, grammar, or logic. Now we'll look at the tip number 6. Focus on grammar. Good grammar is essential for a high score in writing in PTE. When you are practicing, you can use a tool like Grammarly to catch errors in your writing. However, when you are practicing a mock test in time condition, make sure it is turned off in your browser. You may also refer a high school level book to refresh basic concepts. You don't need to be an expert in English grammar. Just make sure your basic concepts such as parts of speech, subject-verb agreement, and complex sentences are clear. Now, we'll look at the tip number 7, which is to expand your vocabulary. Using a rich vocabulary can make your essay more compelling. It will also for sure get you a higher score from the PTE exam software. During your PTE prep, try to learn new words. Keep a list of new words that you come across. You may also create flashcards with new words and their meanings to expand your vocabulary. Use synonyms to show diversity of language. Example, instead of important, use crucial, vital, or significant. Another good way to boost your vocabulary is by going through the academic word list. Download it from our website and review it every now and then before the exam. Tip number 8. Stay on the topic. Make sure your essay addresses the prompt directly. Don't write random stuff or abruptly jump from one point to another. First, make sure you understand the prompt. Carefully read the prompt and pay attention to each and every word in it. Make sure that you stick to your thesis. Ensure each paragraph relates back to your thesis statement. If you think pollution is due to increase in vehicles, stick to it throughout the essay. Let's look at the tip number 9. Use a variety of sentence structures. Variety in sentence structure makes your essay more interesting and also gets you a higher score from the software. Practice how to combine sentences. For example, the project was successful. It was completed on time. Becomes, the project was successful because it was completed on time. Next is, use complex sentences at appropriate places. For example, although the project was challenging, it was completed on time. Demonstrating the team's efficiency is much better than writing multiple simple sentences such as, the project was challenging. The project was completed on time. It demonstrated team's efficiency. So, you see how making a complex sentence is so much better and gives the impression that you are an advanced user of English language. Tip number 10 is review high-scoring essays. Our final tip, which is very important. Learn from the best by studying high-scoring essays. Analyze structure and styles. If you have signed up for a RISE PTE program, you will get access to many great sample essays. Notice how these high-scoring essays are structured and the vocabulary they use. And there you have it, 10 tips and templates to help you score 90 out of 90 on your PTE essay. Remember, practice and preparation are key. Use these tips, practice diligently, and you will be well on your way to achieving the perfect score. Check out the video description for helpful resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and good luck with your PTE preparation. Bye.